Is the future of higher education sitting in a lecture hall or logging in from your bedroom? By 2030, online learning is projected to be a $660 billion industry. But does that mean traditional universities are done? Let's break it down. For centuries, classrooms have been the gold standard. Face-to-face learning, campus culture, networking. Traditional campuses provide experiences, labs, sports, culture that are hard to replicate online. 72% of students value peer interaction, but U.S. private tuition averages $38,000 a year. Online learning breaks barriers, anytime, anywhere at a fraction of the cost. In 2023, over half of U.S. students took at least one online course. It's flexible, affordable, and globally accessible, something traditional classrooms can't match. The truth is, online learning isn't just an alternative, it's an advantage. You save thousands in tuition and living costs, learn from global faculty, and access world-class programs without leaving home. AI tools, flexible schedules, and personalized learning make it possible to study at your pace, something traditional classrooms can't match. The future of higher education isn't confined to campus walls. It's open, digital, and borderless. With online learning, education finally adapts to you. And that's the future students deserve.